My name is Matthew Joint and I'm the Chief People Officer at Frimley Health. Just like any NHS trust, this trust, Frimley Health, depends on its people for what it delivers to its patient. And in order to support the very best patient care, we need to ensure that our people themselves feel supported. So we have an HR function, a great HR function, that is there to ensure we recruit the right people, we develop people in the right way, and that we reward them fairly, and ensure that their working day is fulfilling, that it's good, and that they feel supported. Because when they feel supported, they give great patient service. Now, in terms of our HR function and indeed our whole people strategy for the organisation, we've been very much on a journey. I think like many organisations, we've been coming out of the pandemic and we're beginning to find our feet again. How can we really support the organisations perhaps differently? We're focusing far more on things like flexible working. We're making sure that people have the right kind of training. And that means whether you're a line manager, or a nurse or a doctor, or you're an HR professional, you get the development and the coaching that you need. So that's really important to us. It's also important to us that you feel fulfilled when you're at work, that you have a good, safe, pleasant working environment. So that's another thing that we work on as well. As with the whole of the NHS, we've been through a difficult few years. Post-pandemic, we're beginning to recover and refocus. And if we look at Frimley Health, we've really been focusing on supporting and engaging staff. Now, we've seen a really big rise in staff engagement, and that's not happened accidentally. That's happened because there's been a lot of focus on ensuring there's the right development and the right support for our staff, whether it's things like well-being, whether it's things like flexible working, or whether it's training. So we're putting that back in place so people are properly supported to do the jobs that they want to do really well. And that's then going through to better patient care. So Frimley Health is a trust that's becoming stronger and stronger, and that's because we're really focusing on the people.